Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might.
Alright, you guys, so let's knock out this Ross haul. And so again, you guys, I did not pick up a lot from Ross. Y'all, I completely forgot that I went to Ulta too. I just realized that I went to Ulta when I saw this little bag in there. So I did go to Ulta. I completely forgot about that. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Ross, from Ulta, and then I'm going to show you my Bath & Body Works candles. I will be looking different whenever I show y'all the Bath & Body Works candles, because I'm not going to record that part until tomorrow, but I'm going to put it in this video. So the first thing that I got from Ross is a skinny syrup, because I'm addicted to these skinny syrups. Like you guys, it's Christmas and the new year is coming up, and this is going to taste absolutely delicious mixed in your favorite liquor. For me, it will be tequila. And yeah, I can't wait to try this, y'all. It says to mix 2 to 3 parts of this mix to 1 part of tequila, shake with ice, pour, and enjoy, honey. So I think this is going to be really, really good. Maybe we can do this together, you guys. We can mix it together. And yeah, so this is the first thing that I got. I wish they had more flavors, but this was all I saw. So I just got this one. So honey, we're gonna be making us a cocktail, okay? So I got that. And then the next thing that I got is this really cute Bootsier. Y'all, I'm so addicted to Bootsiers. I really am. Like, they just look so freaking good on me. Like, I don't know what it is. Let me show y'all this picture. I found this picture of my self, and I had to put it on my phone, y'all, because it's a really nice picture of me in a Bootsier. Y'all, like, look at this picture. This is a really nice picture of me. This is my inspiration picture, like when I was heavy on keto and I had my little Bootsier on. It looks so good. So y'all, I'm addicted to Bootsiers. I think they look so good on me. So when I saw this one, I was like, yes. So as you can see, it's like a pinky nude shade. It is faux leather. All right, if y'all can see, it's like a corset style. All right, it has like the adjustable like bra straps, as you can see there. Here's how the back is made. The boob area fits really, really nicely. Although, you guys, when I put it on, I am going to have to use a little bit of boob tape to kind of tape this part down flush to my skin, because it kind of protrudes out a little bit once my girls are sitting up in it. So I'm gonna have to use a little bit of boob tape, but that's okay. But it fits really, really good, y'all. It's so comfortable. It's not restricting at all, and it's super cute. And I love this. I can transition this all throughout the seasons, you guys. So that's why I decided to get it, because this color is great for all 4 seasons, actually. Really nice and lightweight. Obviously, if I wear this now, I'll wear it with like a blazer or a cardigan or something to cover my arms. But yeah, super duper cute. And so look at that price, y'all. $9.99 for this really cute Bootsier. Again, I got it in an extra large, and it's just so freaking cute. Like, I love this color, y'all. It is not like that faux shiny leather. I think that's what I like about it as well. It has like a matte finish to it, and it makes it look like more than what it costs. All right, so we like that. It was really like form-fitting on the body, okay? Really, really structured on the body, if you will. So I thought this was super cute, y'all. So I'll come back on and try this stuff on, because I still owe y'all like a try on for my Goodwill stuff. So when I try that stuff on, I'll try this on. So then, y'all, I found this really cute faux leather jacket or blazer, if you will. But look how cute this is. I thought this was super cute. So this is strictly for aesthetic purposes only. It will not keep you warm. It's not lined in the inside, but it's cute, okay? Again, it's faux leather. Here's what the sleeves look like. As you can see, it's cuffed on the end, which I really, really like. All right, and here's how the front is made. And I was thinking about adding a button, like a gold button on the front, but we'll see. I can always sew a button on the front. All right, but I thought this was really, really cute. I love where it stops, sort of like at the waist, the high waist. Here's the back. So it's a really cute, simple, like faux leather jacket blazer, if you will. But the price got me more than anything, you guys. All right, y'all, see, it was marked down to $8.99. So that was a great steal. y'all, here's what it looks like on. I was like, let me just try it on real quick. So it's like a really nice simple blazer jacket. Really, really cute, especially like for work. And yeah, y'all see where it stops. Really nice and comfortable. I was thinking about adding a button to it, like right here, but I kind of like it is. So yeah, just something to throw on to like zhuzh your outfit up. And actually, when I was in the dressing room, I tried it on with this Bootsier. And it looked good, y'all. It looked real good. I could probably do, let me tell you something. I could probably do like this Bootsier and this faux leather jacket and probably some distressed denim, like really, really dark denim shorts and some tall boots and some fishnets. That'd be cute. Or I can throw on my leather pants. I also got some leather pants from Walmart that might look good with this. The Bootsier, the leather pants, the full leather pants, this jacket, and some boots. So yeah, I mean, y'all, I can style this thing up in so many ways. I think it's so cute. And the price, yes. All right, y'all. So then next we have Ulta. And I didn't get a lot from Ulta, okay? I completely forgot I even went in Ulta. All right, so I only got three things. So the first thing that I got is this LA Color. This is the Glide eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner, you guys. I ran out of this eyeliner and I was missing it so much. Like, nothing works like this thing. It does not smudge. It does not build up in your tear duct. It is amazing. So I had to go get it again, you guys, in black. So this is my absolute favorite liner. I think I want to come back on and do a favorites video. Are we still doing favorites? Like, let me know, y'all. I can do a favorites. I can do an empties because I've been saving my empties. I'm going to do that whether people are looking at them or not, because that's just what I want to do. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to come back with the favorites. So I got that. And then I needed more of the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing HA Hydration Lotion. I love this stuff. Let me show you guys. So it's actually this. All right, this lotion right here. And this is, as you can probably see, empty. Well, I got probably like maybe 2 or 3 more uses, but it's basically empty, you guys. And I ran through, like, this one is my 4th one. Hold on, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the 4th bottle. So this is my favorite moisturizer. Y'all, I'm trying to stick to all the Ordinary products. Well, acids and low moisturizers anyway. The cleansers I really don't care too much about. But yeah, I'm really trying to stick with like the same serums and moisturizers. Guys, this one is really, really good. Like, this is my favorite moisturizer, and it's only $10 and it lasts for a very, very long time. So I love this. I had to re-up on this one because, y'all, I'm at the point now where I'm having to take the top off of this to squeeze it out. And I can't be without this. So I was like, nope, I gotta find another one. So the last thing that I picked up from Ulta by The Ordinary is this Direct Acid. And I've never used this before, you guys, but the girl was talking to me about it, and I do feel a little more comfortable with using this. She said to start off using it like once or twice a month, and that's it. Leave it on for 7 minutes and then wash it off. But this is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peel-in solution. I have always seen this in Ulta, and I did my research, but y'all, I was really scared to use this, but I'm going to try it. Now, it recommends that you keep it on your skin for 10 minutes to exfoliate, but I'm going to keep it on for 7 minutes like she recommended, like the young lady recommended me in the store. It has a pH of 3.6, and I think it's going to do my skin well, because I just literally at this point don't know why, like, I'm breaking out with this huge bump on my nose. So I'm going to use this tomorrow. So I'll keep you guys posted. I am going to, although she explained to me how to use it, I am going to watch probably 1 or 2 more videos just to make sure I'm doing this thing right. Or I might even wait until the weekend in case I screw my skin up. So we'll see. But anywho, y'all, it is so intimidating to even look at it because it's like a blood red shade. And here's what it looks like, you guys. Look at that. I am so petrified to use this. I mean, I'm going to give it a go, obviously, because I bought it. But it just looks so intimidating. Let me know if you guys have ever used this before. Look at how it looks. So let me know what you guys know about this, because I'm really scared as hell to use it. I said I'm gonna try it tomorrow, which is Monday, but I might try this thing Friday just to make sure I'm not like screwing my damn skin up. But yeah, I got this, you guys. But y'all, I swear about the Ordinary products. They have really great products, and I love them. So yeah, that is it. That is all that I picked up from Ulta and from Ross. And then stay tuned, you guys, because I'm going to show you what I got from Bath & Body Works for that $9.95. I only got 12 candles and 2 body lotions, so I did pretty good. I wanted to get more, but they didn't have, well, y'all will see. Y'all will see. Y'all will see. I'll be back. Hold the line.